Welcome back to our channel. Today, we wrap up our Animal Kingdom series with a complete summary of everything we've learned. It's been an incredible journey exploring the diversity of life. You can download the full notes from our Linktree, as always. And don't forget, today's NEET Biology podcast episode is already live. All the links are available in the description below. Let's dive into the final part together. Let's quickly overview the animal kingdom. Animals are broadly classified based on key characteristics such as their level of organization, symmetry, coelom, segmentation, and presence or absence of a notochord. These features help biologists systematically group animals into various phyla. Let's begin with Porifera. These are multicellular animals that lack true tissues and show a cellular level of organization. They are characterized by the presence of special flagellated cells called choanocytes. Next is phylum Coelenthrida, also known as Cnidaria. These animals have a tissue level of organization and exhibit radial symmetry. A defining feature of this group is the presence of cnidoblasts, which are specialized cells used for defense and capturing prey. Ctenophora, or comb jellies, are marine animals that use comb plates for locomotion. They are known for their bioluminescence and also exhibit radial symmetry. Platyhelminthes are flatworms with a soft, flattened body. They are acoelomates, meaning they lack a body cavity, and show bilateral symmetry. Phylum Ascomynths, or Nematoda, includes roundworms. These animals are pseudocoelates, with a body cavity that is not completely lined with mesoderm. They can be parasitic or free-living. Annelida includes segmented worms such as earthworms and leeches. They are triploblastic, coelomate animals with a closed circulatory system and a segmented body plan. Arthropoda is the largest and most diverse phylum in the animal kingdom. Members of this phylum have a chitinous exoskeleton, jointed appendages, and a segmented body. Examples include insects, spiders, and crabs. Let's continue our exploration on Mollusca, Echinodermata, and the highly evolved phylum Chordata. Phylum Mollusca is characterized by soft-bodied animals, many of which possess a calcareous shell. They have a distinct head, a muscular foot for movement, and a visceral hump. Common examples include snails, octopuses, and mussels. Phylum Echinodermata includes marine animals with a spiny body surface and a unique water vascular system that aids in movement, feeding, and respiration. Adults exhibit radial symmetry, while larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. Starfish and sea urchins are classic representatives. Phylum Chordata stands out due to the presence of a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits, at least during some stage of their life cycle. This phylum is further divided into two major subgroups, Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha includes jawless vertebrates such as lampreys, which lack paired fins and jaws. In contrast, Gnathostomata comprises jawed vertebrates and is further categorized into Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces includes aquatic animals like bony and cartilaginous fish adapted with gills and fins for life in water. Tetrapoda includes four-limbed vertebrates, adapted to live on land and water. Amphibians, like frogs, have moist skin and lay eggs in water. Reptiles are land-adapted vertebrates with dry, scaly skin and lay shelled eggs. Aves, or birds, have feathers, beaks, and the ability to fly, along with hollow bones for lightness. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates with hair and mammary glands to nourish their young. Let's practice few questions to test your knowledge. Question 1. Which of the following organisms is correctly matched with its characteristic? From NEET 2020. Option A. Starfish, bilateral symmetry. Option B. Earthworm, pseudocoelomate. Option C. Nereus, metamerically segmented. Option D. Ascaris, true coelom. Explanation. Nereus, which belongs to the phylum Annelida, exhibits true segmentation, also known as metamerism, where the body is divided into repeating segments both internally and externally. Starfish, from the phylum Echinodermata, display radial symmetry, particularly in their adult stage. Ascaris, a roundworm from phylum Nematoda, is a pseudocoelomate, meaning it has a body cavity not completely lined by mesoderm. Earthworm, another annelid, has a true coelom and is not a pseudocoelomate. The correct answer is option C, that is Nereus is correctly matched with metamerically segmented. Question 2. Which group of animals has no circulatory system? From NEET 2019. Option A. Annelida. Option B. Arthropoda. Option C. Mollusca. Option D. Platyhelminthes. Explanation. Flatworms, which belong to phylum Platyhelminthes, lack both circulatory and respiratory systems. These organisms rely on diffusion to exchange gases and nutrients across their body surface. On the other hand, annelids like earthworms possess a closed circulatory system with blood vessels. Arthropods, such as insects and prawns, have an open circulatory system where hemolymph flows freely through body cavities. Molluscs generally have an open circulatory system as well, but cephalopods like octopus and squid are an exception, having a closed circulatory system to support their active lifestyle. The correct answer is option D, that is phylum Platyhelminthes do not have circulatory system. Question 3. A distinguishing feature of Chondrichthyes is? From NEET 2016. Option A. Bony skeleton. Option B. Presence of swim bladder. Option C. Gill slits covered by operculum. Option D. Cartilaginous skeleton. Explanation. Members of class Chondrichthyes, which include sharks and rays, have a skeleton made entirely of cartilage. Unlike bony fishes, they do not possess a swim bladder to control buoyancy and instead rely on dynamic lift. Their gills are not covered by an operculum, meaning the gill slits are exposed, which is a distinguishing feature from osteichthyes, the bony fishes. The correct answer is option D, that is a distinguishing feature of Chondrichthyes is that they have cartilaginous skeleton. Let's move to question 4. Which of the following is a jawless fish? Option A. Shark. Option B. Stingray. Option C. Lamprey. Option D. Rohu. Explanation. Lamprey belongs to the class Cyclostomata under the Agnatha group, which includes jawless vertebrates. Unlike cartilaginous fishes such as sharks that belong to class Chondrichthyes and possess true jaws, lampreys are primitive chordates. They are ectoparasitic, often attaching to and feeding on the blood of other fish, making them a unique example among vertebrates. The correct answer is option C, that is lamprey is a jawless fish. Question 5. Which of the following features is not common to all chordates? Option A. Dorsal hollow nerve cord. Option B. Notochord. Option C. Pharyngeal gill slits. Option D. Vertebral column. Explanation. The vertebral column, commonly known as the backbone, is a defining feature found only in vertebrates, a subphylum within the phylum Chordata. However, all chordates share three fundamental features at some stage in their development: a notochord, which serves as a primitive axial support structure, dorsal hollow nerve cord that develops into the central nervous system, and pharyngeal gill slits, which may be modified or disappear in adults but are present during embryonic stages. The correct answer is option D, that is vertebral column is not common to all chordates. Question 6. Which phylum has organisms with a water vascular system? Option A. Mollusca. Option B. Arthropoda. Option C. Echinodermata. Option D. Coelentierata. Explanation. The water vascular system is a unique feature of echinoderms such as starfish and sea urchins. This hydraulic system plays a crucial role in several physiological functions including locomotion through tube feet, respiration through dermal bronchi, and the capture and handling of food. It is one of the most distinctive features that separates echinoderms from all other animal phyla. The correct answer is option C, that is phylum Echinodermata have a water vascular system. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to check out today's NEET Biology podcast, it's live now. You can also explore our complete Animal Kingdom playlist and the daily NEET Biology MCQs and PYQ series for quick revision. Up next, we'll be sharing bio tricks to remember this chapter easily. See you in the next video.